Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 2, we will present about herbicide-resistant plants. First, let me introduce our member. First, Pemi Philosophy with student number 50, Fitria Indah Susanti with student number 56, Desi Cahyanti with student number 58, and Nur Hofifa with student number 59. Our topic discussion. First, background, mechanism of transgenic plant-resistant herbicide, transgenic corn-tolerant herbicide, and transgenic plant resistant to herbicide.
Background. A common effort in weed control is the use of herbicide. However, the use of this herbicide raises new problems, namely environmental pollution and damage to the staple crop of cultivation because some of the staple crop of cultivation are intolerant to herbicide. Selective herbicide will kill the weeds, but other herbicide can actually damage cultivator crop. This can increase economic loss in cultivation. Next, transgenic plant resistant to herbicide. Tolerant of TPRG-TTH varieties is obtained through one of two mechanisms. The first, PRG, plant produce new protein that can detoxify herbicide. The second, protein in plant that are the target of herbicide work are replaced by new protein that are not affected by the herbicide, or in other words, become tolerant to the herbicide. Next. Mechanism of transgenic plant-resistant herbicide. In principle, their mechanism of tolerance to herbicide carried out with the development of transgenic plant, namely the first modification of the target site influenced by herbicide. The second, the production is the target site. The third, herbicide inactivation is metabolic.
Transgenic corn-tolerant herbicides, based on data compiled from the Central Statistics Agency 2014, national maize production in 2020 amounted to 90.38 million tons from a total harvest area of 3.9 million hectares. In 2013, corn production decreased by 0.88 million tons. The decrease in production occurred because the harvest area decreased by 136.91 thousand hectares and the decrease in productivity by 0.55 quintal per hectare. Transgenic corn-tolerant herbicide. Herbicides are widely used today. About 70% are herbicides made from active glyphosate. Glyphosate herbicide is a fast-growing, systemic, non-selective herbicide applied through the leaves, has a broad spectrum, is rapidly degraded, and has the ability to control annual weeds. Symptoms of weed death seen in 2 to 4 weeks after application. The right dose of herbicides will be able to control the target weeds, but if the dose is too high, it can poison and damage cultivated growth. Transgenic corn-tolerant herbicide. The development of recombinant DNA technology is increasingly advanced and has succeeded in making corn crops DMSL tolerant to glyphosate herbicide through genetic engineering by delivering the CP4AVSVS gene derived from Agrobacterium sp strain.
Based on YUD Research IFY Wicaksono DF Sari in 2016, reading a response of corn crop Zeamaize tolerant herbicide due to the administration of virus disease of herbicide IPA glyphosate for 6 gram. Next. In PRG crop glyphosate, which inhibits the activity of plant APS enzymes that stop in biosynthesis process of automatic amino acid does to work effectively, so that plants are tolerant to glyphosate herbicide compost and the metabolism needed to grow can continue. Next. The height of plant is no real defect because it is more controlled by genetic factor than the environment. The application of glyphosate APA herbicide can suppress the growth of weeds so as to provide environmental condition and allow corn crop the provide a complex observation of the lack of the crop have no effect because is the influenced by genetic factor will the ability of plant to bring up their genetic character is influenced by environmental factor.
The application of herbicide has no effect on the diameter of the cob. According to Tarigan, cob formation is strongly influenced by nitrogen nutrients. Nitrogen is a major component in the process of protein synthesis. If the protein synthesis goes well, then the increase in the diameter of cob will be good. Herbicide IPA glyphosate doesn't affect the growth of PRG corn against the number of seed lines per crop. The results of the observation are not different due to genetic factors and are not influenced by the environment. The application of herbicide with various doses is able to suppress the growth of weeds so that the growth of corn becomes optimal because there is no competition of nutrients between weeds and herbicide-tolerant PRG corn crops. Application of glyphosate herbicide has no effect on seed weight per plant. Conclusion. First, glyphosate herbicide is a fast-growing systemic, non-selective herbicide applied through the leaf, has a broad spectrum, is rapidly degraded, and has the ability to control annual weeds. Symptoms of weed death are seen in the 2-4 weeks after application. Second, in principle, there are 3 mechanisms of tolerance to herbicide, namely modification of target site influenced by herbicide. The production is target site and herbicide inactivation is metabolic. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.